Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you learning to draw like I am? I have been trying to come up with a few doodles I can use in my bullet journal. So today I'm doing 36 bullet journal doodles. I love drawing animals, and I've come up with a little cat and a little dog that I can use in either my planner or my bullet journal. Popular doodles are of course flowers and leaves, and so I have a few of those. My favorite things to do are to drink coffee and tea, so I had to include that with the little cupcake. I'm also always trying to grow succulents, though I tend to kill them, and wanted to do a few succulent doodles. Now the other page is just a few things that I used throughout the week, like, an umbrella, camera, bullet journal, computer, just little small items. When coming up with doodles, I will look at magazines, or I'll look online for some photos, and that normally helps me come up with a few ideas for simple drawings. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this gives you some ideas for some doodles for your planner or your bullet journal, and I hope you have a great day. See you next time.